Dave Couchman, along with my teammates Chris Harvey and Joe Bruin. We are published. Thank you, Acquisition Research Program. Do corporate officers' political connections affect DoD cost outcomes? Which was a 10-year study that we did of the top U.S. publicly traded firms as determined by the Defense News Top 100. A couple of things that we looked at. First is, do DoD firms earn excessive profitability relative to their non-defense comps controlled for firm size, firm year, and industry SIC? The answer is, according to our research, yes, 0.9% additional ROA, equating to about $11.4 billion a year. The second is, what impact does political connectedness have on that? So we created two-tier evaluative criteria, political heavyweight or just baseline political connection, or of course none at all. And we assigned values 330 CEOs, 3,470 directors, and we put it all together. And we found that of everything in aggregate, and each of the individual control groups were created, that the CEO's political heavyweight seems to have some marginal explanatory power for the additional ROA earned by DoD contractors. So that was an interesting finding for us. And then the last measure we looked at was corporate governance efficacy. Did the CEO and the chairman have a dual-hatted role, or was the CEO independent of the board of directors? And what we came to find is that the CEOs that are dual-hatted as chairman, the firms earn additional ROA beyond those with independence exhibited. It should be noted that the duality group was significantly larger than the group that exercised independence. So we put it all together. So what does this really mean? So one, we attacked a hard problem where a lot of people thought they knew the answer, and we've heard a lot of, right? Like, oh yeah, these firms definitely earn excessive profits. Well, we applied a quantitative, dispassionate, data-driven approach to a challenging question, and that the process was, and building the framework was really the most important part of, I think, what we did, and it's something that can be applied to a number of questions surrounding excessive profitability. And two, we brought something that had been extensively studied outside of the DoD spheres in academia into the DoD firmly to help us be better, right? Because at the soul of what we do as supply corps officers is being effective stewards of taxpayer dollars and maximizing government resources. So I think it was a really important question to ask. We appreciate the support of Dr. Wang, Dr. Ballard, and the ARP in helping bring our research vision to reality. Thanks so much for visiting me at home, and have a great day.